Hey everybody, if you can see over there, I've got a swarm flying high in the air over my lot. Doesn't look like they're going to one set place, but if you can see, the distance between that and the hanging trap, actually my experiment really didn't work. So this is the hive they left from. So we'll do, first thing I'm going to unlock the gate. Let's see if I'm taking the camera with me. I know you can hear that. Oh, I see a place where they're going in the tree. Up the branch, if you can see. Yeah, there is a place where they're congregating. What they'll do is light right there till they find a place to home themselves. But that's a queen for sure. There she is right there. The camera doesn't want to stay still. Yep. Alright, so they've gone to a branch.